Hello, beautiful viewers. This is another session of Bank's Kitchen. Today we have Chef Linda, and she is going to take us through the process of preparing Ndole and Plantain. As you can see, we already have our cooked plantain here.
Onion, this pepper, this fish, and this is egusi, this cow skin, and dry fish, and this fresh meat, and this is vegetable.
What is this?
Green spices have been ground.
Green spices have been ground with some onion.
This is ground pepper also, but it's mixed with ginger, garlic, onion. This is all the spicy green spices just for the ndole.
So, Chef Linda, you have to show us the end product of this. So, which process? You have to tell us from what step, from the first step to the last step, how you're going to process this. So, over to you.
So, we are about to begin the process of cooking. This is boiled water already. Nice to wash the vegetable.
Okay.
Now, I'll begin the process of washing the vegetable. Put it in the pot.
So I'll have to help you.
I use my hands.
Yes.
Yeah. Now it's okay. So I have to take it off from the fire.
Okay. So the vegetable is off the fire and she's washing it. Yes.
Put my pot back on the fire.
Yes.
Let's put some little bit of water.
Okay.
There we go. And now I have to put a pinch of salt. Now I put dry fish. Put my dry fish.
Very good.
This for meat. The next thing I put my meat. Yeah, put my meat.
Wow.
Okay. Secondly, put in the cow skin, normally called kanda, for it.
This is.
Then I put my maggi.
Is that Maggi crevette?
Yeah, this is maggi crevette.
Okay.
Yeah. This is complete, so I have to cover my pot.
So how long will you keep it?
So with it depends on the cow skin.
Okay.
Yeah. So this can take at least around 30 minutes for it to be ready.
Okay.
Yeah. Now close my pot for it to boil. This is egusi half done. I've just parboiled it. So now I want to put it back on the fire for it to be ready. This area to avoid burning. Yeah. Have to taste if it is ready.
It's ready?
Little bit.
So for how long can you actually cook this egusi so that you can know, or you cook by, you know it is ready by tasting?
Yes, it is ready by tasting.
Okay.
Yeah. So we'll leave this for 2 minutes.
Okay. Wow, this is the boy. Cow skin, cow meat, dry fish.
You put it inside your egusi. Yeah. Okay.
You stir it like this to have a uniform mixture, huh?
Yeah, it says to have a uniform mixture. So we see how the mixture is coming out. Okay.
So after this, what next?
Taste again. See. If the salt and maggi is taste.
Okay.
Let's keep quiet now.
What next?
Now we'll put our vegetable.
This is the watch vegetable. Now she puts it in the pot.
Yeah, put it in the pot. So, stir. We keep stirring. Stirring. Yeah. You can see. You see how the thing is mixing. Yeah.
So after stirring, how many minutes is it supposed to last on fire?
This we can keep this for around 6 to 7 minutes.
Okay.
Yeah. So see,
You
add
see
a
also-
little bit of vegetables. Okay. Now I will apply my pepper. Mix again.
For those who like to eat much pepper, they can go with extra pepper.
Those who like to eat much pepper, will go with extra pepper in a bowl.
Okay.
If you like too much pepper or too much salt, you would do the same.
Okay.
My crayfish. I'm putting my crayfish. Okay. The fish is there. Then I mix.
My belly the bite, I want chopo. Now wish can I when you go see chopo. Hey, I don't be hungry for 5 days today. Now where I go see chopo.
This is onion.
This is onion.
One chop, kati, I chop watafufu, I chop even okra. Hey, they don't call me for kumbase. Make a
Pour my groundnut oil.
For if you want chop okra too.
If it is enough. If it is not enough, I keep adding. Put again, crevet again.
I can sense the aroma. This is so delicious.
Cover the pot for 2 minutes, at least 2 minutes, for it to be fully ready.
Yeah.
Okay. It is ready, so I'm opening the pot. I see apply some onion. Now, see add a little bit of salt.
Okay.
stir. Okay.
Wow, you can see how the face of the Ndole is changing.
So good. Okay. Now like this. Now it's ready. So we put it down. My pot of Ndole is ready.
That's great.
Put it down. Yes, now. Okay, on my plate. Savor.
Oh, the plantain was already there.
Yeah, plantain was already here. Now I have to clean my pan. Okay. So that I will dish.
Wow. Wow, this is so outstanding. Only from the aroma.
Put some onion.
Monday Maria Chabe make you bless bank kitchen with this kind of mob this yo way. I don't swallow salava plenty yo way.